As you saw in the title, we're in the Smoky Mountains. Oop. Oop, here's a nice little river. People are tubing it. So jump down. Jeez, all sorts of trash down here. This is not in the river though, right? This is a really nice area. So lush. And as you also saw in the video, oh, I almost slipped there. We're gonna do a hike. Alright guys, we're gonna be doing the Junie Wank Loop Trail, not the Deep Creek Horse Trail. Junie Wank. Anyway, it's a loop and it goes to some waterfalls. Should be really nice. We have a new change of plans. We are doing the Junie Wank Falls loop, but then we're also gonna come and do the 3 waterfalls loop that goes around there, and that's like an extra 2.2 miles because the Junie Wank is only 0.3 miles. It's really short. 2.8 miles. 2.8 miles. Okay, yeah. We want. Junie Wank Falls this way. Yep, more up. More up. Another Junie Wank Falls sign, okay. We get it. Oh, there's one person way up there. Way? No, not way. Just far. Ooh, it's out there. Ooh, I hear the waterfall. It's up there somewhere. I'm not sure if the GoPro can hear it or not. Really cool. Alright, we're here at Junie Wank Falls. I can see it up there. Let me on these slippery steps. There's a warning sign. Great, that's how you know it's good, guys. Get down here. Extremely slippery. I'm not looking at the falls for a reason. This is pretty crazy. Goes down, and I'm down there. Whew. It was awesome. Yeah. Guys, these are just one of the mini falls we're gonna see today. On this hike. That was a small one, I think. I don't know. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. What? That kind of makes sense because I knew I was supposed to go to the kick to the left. But, I mean, alright, we were going up and now we're going down. This is like super carved in. Hope the video isn't too wobbly. I'm stumbling all over the place over here. Alright, we have a little stream over here. And right now it's going into like this big river over here. I guess this feeds some of the falls. Anyway, river going through here. Nice. We're either going left or right to get to these falls. I'm trying as well. Super lush. Is it freezing cold? Yes, it is. Woo! That is very cold, actually. Extremely cold. I don't know how people. Ow. I don't know if people are actually tubing this, but it's very cold. Yeah, we're trying to walk up river just a little bit. I'm getting used to it though, actually. Alright guys, we are at the Tom Branch Falls. Nice, I got some benches. There they are. Oh my gosh. Those are nice. Walk across the river. No. Oh, they go way up there. Woo! Nice. And they go further up. I don't know how far I will climb that though, because that's a little sketchy looking up there. Definitely sketchy looking. Not gonna go out there. But this is nice. Woo! Oh, that's extremely slippery. Trying to make it across to here. And this Blah. Almost though. I'm good though. So good. Alright, that was the third fall right there. Third set of falls. Anyways, now we're heading back. And there's like a little bridge over here. And we were thinking we might just walk downstream to it. Not walk downstream the whole entire way, but like, you know, trek a little bit. Yeah, that's what they're doing. We are doing.
Yes, you can maybe already down.
Well, yeah, like, can I get closer? A little snake in there. I don't know if you can see it, but snake. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I know I don't have many people watching these videos, but it's still really fun to make it, so that's kind of like why I do it. Anyway, for the small amount of people who are watching, thank you. Yeah, bye.